Hello, my favorite humanoids and clever bunnies. We're back again today after a hard day's work and evening and night doing testing and shit and Tyson Shaisan. So let's spend an hour while my telephone is recharging so I can go on for a walk and listen to some music or something else perhaps. AI generated news perhaps? Non-biased AI generated news, not slop. Well, well, as non-biased as my sources can be. Where are we at? Oh, this map. Let's take this bastard. And we are leveling definitely not that direction. A is a very short pleasure. Whoopsie! We are hunting rabbits. He didn't know that. I knew that. Готово. Shh. Damn it. He's got spending power. He's got like $5 of camo on this. Yes, he was a weapon. So there's a heavy tank right in front of me. Aye! He's Baloo the Pro. So 1 for 1. I wasn't thinking. So. People are rushing. He's there in the middle of the street. Probably. So we are going across here. Wasn't there? Ah! We have mighty brave and stupid here, huh? Baloo, the pro. He's just walking around murdering people. With his overpowered Russian line. He could see me through that smoke. Yes, of course he could. Baloo the pro, kicking ass and taking names and don't giving a care about the numbers at all. So, what's the plan for the day? I think OPC, UA, perhaps some programming in Kotlin. What should the backend be? Definitely some Flask. Let's start with Flask. That's so popular and very easy to get started to or get the project started actually in Flask. Get the concept moving. Yes. So we are going to the Valley of Death, which is that way. And we are going right in front of here. Here we are going down here as fast as goddamn possible. Here, cut over this, you bastard. They think I'm going across. Oh, this my other tank was a little bit. Aye, bastard. Готово! He's gonna hit the top of my tank with and blast it off. Готово. There's no need to die. We all here to have fun. shooting on the dip. That's also useless. Готово. He's trying to advance a little content. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, yes. Loop 5 with her. Helm doesn't matter. It's all good. What was I supposed to do? We're gonna do this. Thank you. Come again. It was a very symbolic death. Luke by the AA. I by the AA. Okay. Here's a little grave. Yes. We're gonna run fast past this. Run, 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 Forrest. He's gonna blap me, ain't he? Ain't he? Yes, yes, yes. He can hit my big head. Yeah. Noob is after me. Коктила, noob. Oh my god. Yes. Look at that. Huh? You afraid now, Bobby? Oh. Bastard. Bastard. Why you couldn't kill little me? That's not very nice. That is definitely not very nice of you. Yeah, got it. Starting today off with two losses, but you know what? I'm not feeling it today. I'm sorry. So, what do we got here? We got that. We don't need this yet, and we don't need. I think we need this armor piercing. So, that is what we're going to get. What do we got here? We got the fire. Ballistic cap. I think this one is better. High explosive ballistic cap, armor piercing, use of M8 fuse. I think I had great success with this one, if I can remember correctly. And we are up 2, 3, 4. Let's see. We got the qualifying. We got all of that shit. So let's just take next battle. What is the time? It's almost 1700 hours and my phone has been charging for 20 minutes. Which means I can go out for a walk in 40. After that, Kotlin and Flask. Yeah. And this, we are again going to pick this one. MT5 fuse, yeah. Готово. Коктейла готово. Yes. Look at my body. He's got winter camouflage out. He has played that tank fully. I only got snow on mine. That's a very good effect, huh? It's already frosty. Yes, buddy. I'm stuck on you like bad breath. He's like Simple Lot. He's the Mr. Simp Man, the Simp Meister himself. And both beat are the mice here. I can feel it. This is they're coming out down there. So we need to diversify our assets, not liquefy. Oh, don't do that. I can't see shit. Готово. This behind here. Shoot through the house. Yeah. Готово. Oh. Yeah, he shot through the house. He's shooting. Готово. Right behind that shit. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh. Thank you. Come again. I'm a god. Grind the ground to a halt at the wrong. Where is it? Готово. Oh. Let's pull the hell out of there before the artillery arrives. Well, there's no need to do this because I'm ass. Oh, I couldn't find this weak spot. Come on, man. Okay. We're gonna push down the middle. We got armor and incendiary. So. Boat. Oopsie. So Let's have a look here. There's one. Oh my god. This is impossible. Come on, dudes. We're all. What's. Oh my god. Let's go, go. Oh, it's a hostility, man. I'm slightly wounded, mommy. Oh my god. Not what I wanted. Now I'm dead, huh? What do I got here? Rockets? Yeah. Well, stupidest was stupidest. So here. No, we are actually in the. He can stay there. faster. Well, it's gonna be down to the wire, huh? I shouldn't have that aircraft. At least I could have posed a threat or something. Well, I tried to install Ubuntu on my Pi 5, but I'm sorely disappointed. It is very, 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 very laggy indeed. Look at that, come on. The first win of the day. Skull Hunter number 1. Cagdilla. Well, anyways, we top 3. That means I was 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. Yeah. 4, 7. That's good. 4, 4, 4, 3. All of them. 4, 3. Yeah. And I managed the battle task at the top. 1 to 5. What did I get? I got 2 progress points. That's nice. And of course we got our fuse for the KB1S. And our horizontal drive is finished there, which is also good. That was 40T34, and we like MT8 and fuse. That's 96, 99, 2000 is 58, 58. HPBC. Oh my god. This is exactly it. We are gonna adjustment of fire. Oh, so we got that many. Oh, the noob in me. I will let my inner noob talk. I will choose the wrong one. Yes, this is the wrong one. And we got the fuse here, which is definitely the correct one, because I chose that. It's SB. Yeah. And then we got the armor piercing rigid cell, and we are gonna research adjustment of fire so we can aim a little bit better. And vitality. What do we got here? We got vitality. Oh, radio communication, I think. Here, nothing. Here. I think we're going to take vision. Was it? Okay. It is. So small margins that if you look at the order of the factor and the relative greatness of the factor, you will see that noobiness is larger than 10 points in vision. So I like this map. Stay away from C. B is my preferred poison. Oh, look at that. We're gonna. Why do you have all the shells on? You never use them. But something about, about having all the shells on, which makes you heavy, I think. But in my opinion, these fine details, they only matter if you're good, I think. But when you're playing like an idiot like me, you first need to fix the stupid. Yeah, something like that. Let's try this one. Let's fire the. Just letting me know that man. Let's have a party. Katova. So we have the new shell loaded, and he's coming into reach, I think. Here. Yeah, he's down there, down by the waterside. Oh my God! Braves are not run away. Yeah, we're gonna stay here. He's down there.
The Allied forces have captured a zone.
Oh, we need to watch our beautiful behind. Oh, did I see something? There is reversing and tractor. Oh, this is a great reverser, huh? I'm the great reverser. Yes, we're losing. Of course we are. We need to chillax here. Please don't just sit there and die. Just chill. Watch the enemy. He will.
Request air support. Перелет. Бронебойная готова.
Yes.
Бронебойная готова.
You just need to chillax. Don't look at that great reversing of mine.
Бронебойным готова.
Yes.
Попадание. Цель уничтожена.
Thank you. Come again.
Бронебойным готова.
So don't goddamn rush. We need to be. You need to think about this. We need to flank that bastard. Increase the threats of our tanks. So this is
11 часов. Дистанция 650 метров.
Grand Duke.
Бронебойным готова.
Oh, jeez, man. Oh my God.
7 часов. Дистанция 700.
Look at that. Emergency reversing. He's watching this way. I need to train my gun now, man. On him. Because he's already trained on me.
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
He's a 555.
Недолет.
He's like,
Бронебойным готова.
oh yeah. Hehehe. Come on.
Внимание, воздух.
Как дела? Bastard!
Недолет! Двигатель горит!
Oh my god. Готово, готово! Yes! God damn. Twinkie! So, and we didn't have anything exciting here, and we got that bastard trying to. We of course are going towards B. What phone number is plus 30 plus 38 50 plus 38? That's definitely a phone number, huh? That we need to try.
Бронебойным готово!
Готово! Somebody is готовing.
Пулемет готов!
What's the time? God damn it! Oh, almost time to go for a walk and get a little bit lard off my fat ass. Look at that, Murdoch. Yeah, oh, of course not. He sees me. How do I know that? Yeah, because I see him. Bastard.
10 часов! Дистанция 550 метров! Недолет!
It's the same guy. Oh, Grand Duke also. Oh, and this guy.
10 часов! Дистанция 850
That's him.
Право! Огонь 10! Бронебойным готово!
Ah! Okay, we need to play this one because any.
Самолет! 11 часов! Дистанция 1900 метров! Миссия не выполнена! Отходим!
Oh my god, 9 spot. I should have been last, man. So we got the adjustment of fire, and we have this one is 125 millimeters. We're going to take it. The great penetrator. That sounded wrong. So it is half 1724. Just enough to go for a walk and come back home to program shit at the OPC UA, Siemens PLC, and PAT actually. So, which one? We can try this and try that, because I'm never going to. Let's try it. If we 10 and 10. And 20, yeah? That should give me a fairly light load.
Экипаж к бою! Прихватитель к бою готов! Заряжающий к бою готов!
And why aren't you playing realistic battles? Yeah, because this is fun. At the moment. So we're gonna hide behind the house there. It'll be faster and we are not going in front of the house, that's for sure. We are staying here and maybe we can catch somebody in between here and there. And there is somebody. Thank you, come again. We got somebody over here. We're gonna point our gun. It's a KV bastard.
Multiple strategic zones are captured.
Oh yes. Готово. Don't, it's not. Oh, look at the bastard. Novo cunt or something. Maybe. Hey, bastard! The great. Yeah. You know that was expected. Nova.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Anyways, we need to attack him with all the might that we got from our...
We captured multiple strategic zones.
Дистанция 700 метров. Внимание, воздух! Самолет! 5 часов. Дистанция 1700 метров. Самолет! 3 часа. Дистанция 450 метров. Цель уничтожена!
Ooh.
10 часов! Дистанция 800 метров! Танк! 12 часов! Дистанция 750 метров! Танк! 11 часов!
Oh my god.
Дистанция 650 метров! Авиация на подходе! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 650 метров!
X, goddammit!
Самолет! 12 часов! Дистанция 700 метров! Недолет!
heard. Yes, I heard that. Exactly what I heard. Go away! And let me enjoy my sweet. Yes. And we are. Oh, jeez.
Нас подбили.
Воздух!
Есть вперед. Самолет. 1 час. Дистанция 950 метров.
Отлично, ребята, ставьте чайки.
Yeah. Okay. Money. Ah. No. So we got new ammo. Oh. No, of course not. What was I supposed to watch? Nothing. So we got this armor piercing, and what is that? We are going to take adjustments of fire. And do we got any nice vitality? And like that, we are on track for Nürburgring round for tomorrow. And I will talk to you next time.